keyboard on the desktop. Now let's see together. The first step, you want to go click on the search and you click on control panel. Okay. After that, you go to ease of access and then you click this.
Always scan this section.
Start on screen keyboard. You click it.
Start on screen
Now
keyboard.
you got on screen keyboard. This is the first way. Now I show you the second way. You search it and you type the word keyboard. You see on screen keyboard. Click it. You see on screen keyboard. Okay. Now let's see one more step. Use with keyboard. Okay. You use Control plus Window plus letter O. You see on screen keyboard.